Yeah. Now let's continue Python for AWS Data Engineering. In that, let's discuss Python programming introduction to. Yeah. Python programs are Python applications we can develop in two modes. We can develop in two modes. One is interactive mode development. Second one is script mode development. Now let's understand what is interactive mode development, what is script mode development. Okay, let's discuss interactive mode development and script mode development. First one, interactive mode development, and second one, script mode development. Script mode development. What is interactive mode development? What is script mode development? Okay. So interactive mode development, we write a Python statement and we execute that statement and we see the output. We see the output. Again, we write a statement, we execute a statement and we see the output. We see the output. Again, we write one more statement, we execute a statement, we see the output. It means step by step development. We write one step, we execute it, we see the output, we continue next step. Step by step development, we call it as interactive mode development. Each step output we can see immediately. Coming to script mode, in script mode, we write a Python file, one file, let's say program 1.py. Okay, program 1.py. In this script file, we write all statements. We write all statements first, and later we will run the script file. Here, step by step, step by step. But here we write all steps inside a script file. Later we will run. This is first important feature. First important feature. Second important feature. Second important feature. See, each step output we can see immediately. Each step output we can see immediately. What is the advantage of this approach? See, by seeing output, we can say the statement we return is correctly giving output or not. Yes or no? Let's say we return statement saying uh, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Then if we get output to 4, then we can say above statement giving proper output. If it is giving different output, what we can do? We can modify our logic. Yes or no? So advantage of step-by-step development is debugging is very easy. Each step output we can see immediately. By seeing the output, we can say the above statement is correct or not. But coming to here, until we until we run, we do not know statements gives proper output or not, exact expected output or not. Second one, we do not know all statements we written inside a script file with correct syntax or not. Each statement we run in interactive mode so that if there is any error, it gives immediately. But coming to scripting mode, when it is going to give syntax errors, when it is going to give output after running a script. Until until that, we do not know statements inside a script gives correct output or not, and we return with the proper syntax or not. Next one. The disadvantage in interactive mode is we will write statement by statement. It will take long time. for development. Long time for development. Coming to here, we write script first, later we will run. Development is faster. Development is faster. Along with this one, here we use IDE softwares. IDE softwares gives auto suggestions when you are using predefined variables, predefined functions, predefined classes. You can just use a tab, it will generate a complete syntax. You no need to write a complete syntax. You can just use a shortcut key. It will generate a complete syntax for predefined variables, predefined functions, predefined classes. But in interactive mode, everything you have to write. There is no auto suggestion. Okay. Next one. This interactive mode used only in development. It is used only in development, not in testing environment, not in production environment. This one used in development, this one used in development, this one used in test environment, this one used in production, this one used in production also too. In all phases, industry uses script mode implementation. Let me give why interactive mode used in testing and production. Let's say tester is ready. Can you go write a program in front of a tester and can you ask a tester to test? How many lines of code you will write in front of tester? Let's say to implement our task, you need 3000 lines. Can you go and test in front of tester every time? No, right? If you write all those statements in a script file, then you will deploy the script file in testing server. Then tester runs that script file. Instead of you, tester will run that script file. Second, next important one, client's ready. Can you go write a program in front of client? No, right? So in interactive mode development used only in development, not in testing environment, not in production environment. Script mode used in all three environments. Then when we go for interactive mode, when we go for script mode development. Interactive mode development, interactive mode development, okay, we use in development, and we will write multiple statements, multiple statements. Then let's say this is correct statement, this is correct statement, this is correct statement. We convert all these correct statements into script file. We will convert all correct statement into script file called program1. Then we will deploy this one into development server, testing server, and production server. So development time, we use interactive mode. All valid statements we will convert into script file. This script file we will deploy into development, testing, and production servers. So interactive mode, we use script. Interactive mode, we will develop a statements because we can understand whether statement working properly, and we are going to understand whether statement generating proper outputs or not. Debugging is very, very easy, even though it is little late, but we can say all the statements, whatever we are writing, giving proper outputs. That's why in development, we write interactive mode. We convert all valid statements into script file. Then we apply that script file into three environments. Next one, please. Next important point. In interactive mode development, we use Python shell, and Jupyter Notebook. There are two softwares we use. One is Python Shell, and second one we use Jupyter Notebook. These softwares we use for developing interactive mode development. For script mode development, we use Notepad, Notepad++, IDEs like Spider IDE, PyCharm IDE, VS Code, plenty of IDE softwares available in real. So nowadays, people using VS Code in most of Python-based application development. In interactive mode, Jupyter is mostly used IDE. In script mode, VS Code and PyCharm, these both are most used IDEs. In interactive mode, Jupyter Notebook is mostly used software. Clear writing, what is interactive mode development? What is script mode development? What are softwares used in interactive mode? What are softwares used in script mode development?